Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. I have, as I'm sure the title will give it away, purchased the Laniege lip sleeping mask off of Wish. And then I also purchased one from Sephora to try. I've not tried either one. I wanted to do the unboxing, show you the differences between the two boxes, the products, how they look inside. So let's jump right into that. So here's the one that I purchased on Wish. And then this is the one from Sephora. You can see the one that came from Wish is a little bit more beat up, and the boxes are a little different. Like this one has, I'm assuming, since on the back it says it was made in Korea, I'm assuming that's Korean. I don't know for sure. If you know, let me know in the comments below. But then the one from Sephora has, I believe, French. The back are definitely different, and that since the one that was made in Korea, it looks like it has all the benefit and skin type and all of that, and I'm assuming Korean, whereas the one that I purchased from Sephora has it, I think, actually in both English and French. And we'll open up the boxes. So in the one from Sephora, you have the product, and then you have this nifty little, so it's in a little pouch. Let's see if you can get it to show up. It says Laniege on it. And you have this little silicone tip applicator for, I'm assuming, to get the product out of the jar and apply it to your lips, so you're not dipping your fingers in it and making a mess. So this is the one from Sephora. And then I opened up the one from Wish, and it actually also does have that same little silicone tip. I mean, it's exactly the same. The one from Wish actually also has the expiration date on the bottom, whereas the one from Sephora does not. As a matter of fact, it doesn't look like it's on there anywhere. But that's cool that you've got the expiration date on there. And the one that came from Wish actually has a insert, whereas the one from Sephora does not. Unfortunately, only the title's on here, it seems. Oh, there we go. There's one that's all in English. So I don't know if these are like multiple different Asian languages, but it does come in what appears to be multiple different languages, and then just once in English with instructions, or what does it say? It said Laniege Moisture Wrap Technology is a technology that activates effective ingredients to help restore skin damaged during the day by covering skin with the biopolymer mineral network while you sleep, as if covering skin with a moisturizing film. During the daytime, skin experiences a lot of stress due to reduced amount of moisture and disruption of skin balance, since skin is easily exposed to various harmful factors and impurities. Based on this, Laniege has discovered the need for sleeping care products. During the nighttime, skin has increased absorption capacity due to the collapse of skin's barrier compared to daytime. Providing good skincare during nighttime can improve the condition of skin the following morning. And I absolutely agree with that. That's why I normally do the EOS lip balm at night, And in the morning, my lips are nice and soft and I don't have to, you know, aggressively exfoliate as much. So let's open up the product itself. Well, actually, let's put these up here side by side. I think they are the same scent. I don't think there was more than one scent available from Sephora, but it looks like, at least according to the flyer in the box here, there are several flavors that are available, possibly in other countries. So this one specifies that it is the berry flavored one, and it even says berry on the jar. So this is Wish, this is Sephora. The caps, as you can tell, are slightly different color, but otherwise they seem exactly the same. So they each have that plastic protective cover as well, which the one from Sephora just came out on its own. And then let's see. Now there's next to no scent in this one from Sephora, but you can definitely smell the skincare in the one from Wish. And as you can see, there's like bubbles on there. So I don't know if that is the ingredients kind of separating a little bit. But here, we'll hold this up side by side. So again, Sephora, Wish. And what I may do is try these out. Probably gonna take a couple of days to do that. Like I'll use one on one night, obviously the other one on another night, and then let you know how my lips feel in the morning. So I think that's actually what we're gonna do, because I'm still debating on the whole EOS one. If you saw that video, I'm not sure which one's gonna go up first, but the Wish EOS one is kind of sketching me out a little bit, because it was weird looking. But yeah, part of this whole thing is to test stuff out and let you know. So might have to be brave on that one and give it a shot, kind of take one for the team. But anyway, that's it for this video. I just wanted it to be short and sweet, and I will let you know how things go in the testing phase. Good evening, everybody. This is Editing Pam checking in. I figured I would pop in real quick and just update you on how things worked out with these lip masks. I have tried them each a couple of times. While the color is the same, the packaging is the same, the little applicator is the same, the texture of the product is very different. The one from Sephora has a much more like almost set jello kind of consistency to it, whereas the one from Wish is more like a gel lotion in a jar, if that makes sense. So I wanted to show you really quickly, if I could, hopefully it shows up on the screen, kind of how that consistency goes when dipping into the product. Obviously, I don't know how well this is gonna go, but you know, hey, we're gonna give it a shot. So this is the one from Wish, because again, as you can tell, it specifies that it's the berry. Sorry, I know my fingernails are a disaster. I got them done with gel over the acrylic, and the gel immediately started peeling. So I do apologize. Haven't had a chance to go in and see my girl yet. I think I'm actually going to have the acrylics taken off, and I'm going to try doing the dip polish and just growing my natural nail out and seeing if I can't just do it at home and maybe save some money. Anyway, so like I said, I apologize. My fingernails are a mess. Give me time. Anyway, so back at it. the Wish again. So let's see if I can get this to show up on camera. So if you can see how we can angle this. It slices right through really easily. And we'll grab the one from Sephora and this one and grab its little paddle. These are the niftiest little things, by the way. So here's the one from Sephora where it does not say berry on it. And let's get this one. Come on, focus. And when I scrape along this one, it's a lot more, come on, it's a lot thicker and creamier. Now, I have used them both a couple of different times, and honestly, in the morning, my lips are soft, just the same as if I use the EOS, whether it's in the regular balm size or the little egg. I've not tried the EOS one from Wish yet. I have not quite been that brave. I shot the original video on August 11th. As we speak right now, it is August 26th. And like I said, I've used each one of these a couple times, but I just go back to my regular EOS because that's what's on my nightstand. So in the long run, honestly, which I'm going to put the price that I paid for the Wish, and I'm going to put the price that I paid at Sephora for the Laniege sleeping mask. But honestly, either way, you can do it a lot safer, a lot cheaper. Just, purchase, any lip balm that you like, slap it on before you go to sleep. You wake up in the morning and your lips are nice and soft. I'm not quite sure how that works, but it works, and I've been doing that for years. As a quick little bonus, the foundation that I tried out from Wish, the Phoera, whatever, which you can also get from their website. I've linked that and that Wish first impression try on and wear test video. But I am wearing that foundation again today. Currently it is 7:50 p.m. and I have had the foundation on since about 7:30 this morning. So this is a good solid 12 hours. It does catch in my smile lines here, just like every single foundation. You can see I'm not exactly matte anymore. I have tried to blot around in my oily areas, but honestly, it's almost 8 o'clock at night. I'm about to wash my face and go to bed as soon as I finish editing, so there's no point. But for 12 hours, not bad. And this was using the, all my regular skincare. Like I ran out of the Drunk Elephant Protini, so I've been back using my, I think it's Nordic. I know it's in the description box. And the Matcha Green Tea Perlice Primer. Anyway, I got this one as an add-on to my August Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I still need to shoot that video. I've got everything kind of in bins over here and it's just kind of been crazy. So anyway, I just wanted to check in, let you know how things worked with the masks, and honestly, save yourself time, save yourself some money. Just, get a lip balm that you like here in the States, and it works perfectly fine. You don't have to use expensive stuff, and it does, the same thing. But anyway, that's it. Just a quick check-in. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. And you have a wonderful evening. We'll see you all again soon. Bye.